Hello, we're back with two Hidden Arsenal 2s, two of them, and 3 Ancient Prophecies. So, and also 100 Death Protractor cards, these small size. Let's start off with Hidden Arsenals. Oh yeah, sorry. There's also a Storm of Ragnarok or whatever. I don't know really how to pronounce it. Okay. Okay, we have Worm Queen. Okay, I don't know really how to pronounce that. Jurassic Velo. Alia Justice Reverse Break. And Ateria Vine or something. Okay, the second Hidden Arsenal pack.
Hope you get whatever you want. Michael!
Ooh. Mist Valley Apex Heavian. Genex Gaia. Genex Doctor. Ali Mine. And Fabled Furry. Now it's time for the Storm of Ragnarok. I'll go with that one.
War 1.
Okay. There. Take that one out and try it. Cosmic Compass. 6 Strike Triple Impact. Worm Illidan. Cyber Shield. Noak Relic Lavatian. I don't know. Trillium Authority. Gotterdammerung or whatever. And Blackwing. I don't know this guy, but it's a Blackwing. Okay, now for the. I'll open the rares later. And for the Ancient Prophecies, start off with the first.
You forgot the rare.
I don't know from.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Scary Moth. Kokemeru Boulder. Imperial Customs. Another Blackwing. An XX Saber. A Genetic Woman. And a Water Hazard. And Ancient Leaf.
No. Oh, he dropped the card. Let's hope he pulls a hollow.
Okay, go to the second pack. Really bad at opening video packs.
You're better than me.
Inferni Beast. Death Amulet. Oh, Depth Amulet. Shiny Black Sea. Jester Confit. Armored Exxon Kicker. Brain Research Lab. Flame Volcaner. And Shark Cruiser. Okay. We done yet? Oh no, 4 more pack of Ancient Prophecies.
Then you can see your rares. Which you've probably seen one already.
Inferni Beast again. Depth Amulet. Oh, same card. Shiny Black Sea, same card. Earthbound Immortal Chakachayla.
Dude, that's I'm not sure if it's an ultra or ultimate.
Fossil Dig. Flame Volcaner again. Cyber Doctor. And another Brain Research Lab. So repeat pulls and
Your rares, since you already showed one of your hollows.
okay, we'll show them my follow. Okay, let's put that one in and put all my good cards in here. Well, the ones
In your hollows. Just show your secrets.
yeah. Okay. Okay. There. I don't have another one in there, but I'm not gonna bother finding them. Okay, this
Will. Good. Hold on.
and Jester Confet.
Don't bother with these. These are all.
Oh, okay, these are open hidden arsenals, so let's start off with our rares. Overpowering Eye, Turbo Rocket, Fortune Lady Fire, and Dark Sea Rescue. Okay, so
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.